Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology. Important MCQs MDCAT 2023 Part 1 MCQs number 1. Pectin, a heteropolymer, will be most abundant in cell wall type A. Primary, B. Middle lamella, C. Secondary, D. All. The correct option is A. Primary. MCQs number 2. The actual site for ATP synthesis in mitochondria is option A. Cresta, B. F1 particle, C. Inner membrane, D. Intermembrane. Correct option is option B. F1 particle. MCQs number 3. According fluid mosaic model of cell membrane, the molecules which are in motion. Option A. Phospholipids, B. Intrinsic, C. Extrinsic, D. Both B and C. The correct option is D. Both B and C. MCQs number 4. Glycogenesis type 2 occur because of option A. Excess of enzymes, B. Lack of enzymes, C. Overgene expression, D. All of these. The correct option is option B. Lack of enzymes. MCQs number 5. A polysaccharide which is extensive branch. Option A. Starch, B. Glycogen, C. Cellulose, D. All. Correct option is B. Glycogen. MCQs number 6. The water will melt at Antarctica at a temperature. Option A. minus 80 degree, minus 100 degrees Celsius, C. 0 degrees Celsius, D. minus 10. Option C is correct, 0 degrees Celsius. MCQs number 7. In cockroach, the exoskeleton have polymer having branch of option A. COOH, B. CH3, C. NH2, D. SO2. Correct option is NH2, option C. MCQs number 8. The carbohydrate component in a nucleotide is option A. Hexose, B. Pentose, C. Heptose, D. Erythrose. Correct option is B. Pentose. MCQs number 9. The number of reaction steps in induced fit hypothesis will be dash to key-lock hypothesis. Option A. Same, B. More, C. Less, D. All. Correct option is B. More. MCQs number 10. Esterases and Peptidases belong to a group or class of enzyme. Option A. Hydrolases, B. Lyases, C. Ligases, D. Transferases. Correct option is A. Hydrolases. MCQs number 11. For catalysis of one substrate, there will be type of enzyme. Option A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 5. Correct option is A. 1. MCQs number 12. The monotremes males have a temperature range for maximum enzymatic activity. Option A minus 35 to 40, B 25 to 28, C 30 to 35, D 20 to 25. Option B is correct, 25 to 28. MCQs 13. Which one of the following is exergonic, catabolic and destructive process? Option A photosynthesis, B respiration, C both A and B, D none. Correct option is B respiration. MCQs number 14. Within chloroplast, the membranous system is made of. Option A operon, B cresta, C cisterna, D thylakoid. The correct option is D thylakoid. MCQs number 15. Life on Earth's surface is sustained by portion of light. Option A small, B huge, C large, D both A and B. Correct option is A small. MCQs number 16. The cytosolic FADH2 formed during aerobic respiration from one glucose. Option A 1, B 2, C 4, D none. Correct option is D none. MCQs number 17. The electron fall in photosystem 1 in cyclic light reaction will be emitted from option A cytochrome B chlorophyll, C H2O, D FRS. Correct option is B chlorophyll. MCQs number 18. The first carbon dioxide release in Krebs cycle when dash molecule change to dash molecule. Option A 6 carbon to 5 carbon, B 5 carbon to 4 carbon, C 4 to C, and option D 3 carbon to 4 carbon. Correct option is A 6 carbon to 5 carbon. MCQs number 19. The substrate level ATP for one pyruvate will be option A 2, option B 3, option C 1, option D 4. Correct option is C 1. MCQs number 20. In bacterial cell, total oxidative and substrate level ATPs form from one glucose molecule. A 30 and 4, B 34 and 4, C 32 and 2, D 36 and 38. Correct option is B 34 and 4.